Hi, you have tuned in to Mary.Jones, Huntsville, better known as Precious, and thank you so much for clicking on this video. I really do appreciate that. I have accepted a challenge from the host, Joanne, at Thrift Queen Vlogs. And if you want to know what that challenge is, just keep watching. So thank you, Joanne of Thrift Queen Vlogs, for hosting this challenge. And so I decided to take this challenge that she had offered, and we are supposed to title this tablescape Spur of the Moment Tablescape Challenge. Now there are no rules for this particular scape. Okay, the challenge is we are supposed to set the table for 4 in the spur of a moment. And we are supposed to use whatever we have in the house. We can't go out and buy anything. There's no rules on what particular items that you have to use. So it's all up to you. So let's say that your husband called you in say 2 hours before dinner. And he said, I just invited 2 other people and set the table for 4. So if he calls within that 2 hours, then you got 2 hours to go ahead and get that table set and have everything ready before your guests arrive. Okay, here are the items that I will be using, and I just grabbed these because you know I can't think long because I don't have that much time. So let's get started. So right here I'm coming in, I'm going to be using my white table runner. And as you can see, I didn't have time to iron it, so you're going to see a few creases in it. But that's okay, we got to get this table set. Alright. So I'm just checking the ends to make sure that it's even, because I don't want to put all of my items on it and then have to turn around and take them off and redo my runner. So that's why you see me checking that. I'm going to be using these silver placemats. Now I'm going to make my centerpiece by using the 3 DIYs that I did along with some greenery. So I'm going to just set that in the center of the table, and this would be my centerpiece. And I'm going to use the magnolia floral to go ahead on and finish that centerpiece off. I'm just going to drop that in the tallest candle holder. Now I'm going to come in with my silver charger. Just going to set one in each place setting. Now let's go on and drop my magnolia plates. We're just going to drop those right there on each charger. And I also have some matching dinner plates. And we're just going to go ahead on and do the same thing with the dinner plates. Okay, we are moving right along. We don't have that much time, so we're coming in with the saucer, and they are matching the dinner plates and the salad plates. Now I got the mirror coaster with the little rhinestone in the center of it, or the diamonds in the center. And I'm using my champagne glasses, and I'm just going to set that beside each place setting on the coaster. Now I'm coming in with my silverware, so this time I'm going to be using silver to match that silver charger and the silver placemat. But guys, I got to keep in mind that my 2 hours is rolling. I'm getting close to that 2 hours before my guests arrive. So I'm doing this in a hurry. So now I'm using my white napkins, and they have that silver shimmering in it, along with my silver napkin holders. And I'm just going to set this in each one of my champagne glasses. We're almost done, guys. So now I'm just going to go ahead on and grab my candle. I'm going to stick those inside of the candle holder, and these are LEDs, so I'm turning on the lights. And so guys, we're all done, so I'm going to get ready to just give you a pan around. We are coming to the end of this video, and this is an open collaboration. And once again, I would like to thank Joanne of Thrift Queen Vlogs for hosting this challenge. And guys, you can find the playlist down in the description box below. Go ahead on and click on that playlist and watch and show my friends some love. And if this is your first time, you can go ahead and click on that subscribe button, and you will become a part of the Precious family. Hit that notification bell and hit the like button, and leave comments, because comments help my channel grow. Okay guys, I will see you in the next video. I will see you in the future, because your future looks good on you. Bye bye.